Hello everyone, and welcome to the third episode of Sam's Got Your Back, where you ask the questions and I give you the support you need, because Sam's got your back. Let's start with the first question of the day. I believe in the law of attraction. I try to think positive and bad shit still happens to me. What do I do? I believe in the law of attraction. People think that if you think positive, positive stuff is going to happen to you. You think negative, negative stuff is going to happen to you. But what happens is that when bad shit happens to you, even if you're thinking positive, people get discouraged. They say something is wrong with me. Maybe I don't deserve success. Maybe I don't deserve the things that I want. However, let me straighten it out for you. First of all, you might think positive and you might have good thoughts, but bad shit is still gonna happen to you, because bad stuff happens so that you learn a couple of things and you become the person that can get what he wants. I'll give you an example. I always said to myself, I want to be the best coach out there. I want to be the #1 success coach. And the universe was saying, you want to be the first and the best coach ever? I said, yes. You want to be the best coach ever? And I said, yes. And then the universe said, here you go. So it threw everything that is challenging my way. I had to be broke. I had to be on the streets for a while. I had to be homeless. I had to go through depression, through suicide. And all throughout that time, I was thinking, why are you doing this to me? I'm thinking good thoughts, and this is the shit that happens to me. This is the shit that you give to me, God. You know, I was bitter. I was resentful. But I realized with time that I had to go through these experiences to become the best coach that I could be. I had to be depressed so that I could help other people. I had to be broke, not financially, but also emotionally, so that I can help other people grow and expand. I had to be homeless for a month so that I understand the struggle of actually building a business. So yes, you can think positive and bad shit is gonna happen to you, because the bad shit is the process that's gonna make you a better person that can actually grow your character to really achieve or become the person that can get the results that you're actually looking for. So don't think this is bad. Don't think there's anything wrong with you. Just understand that bad shit happens because it's actually developing your muscles and your character so that you become stronger. So embrace the process. Even though it's painful, it's a part of the process. Second question. I've been depressed for a while now and I can't seem to get out of it. What's your advice on how to overcome my depression? First of all, there's nothing wrong with being depressed. We think of depression as the enemy because everybody's trying to put a goal that is be happy, be successful. The end goal is to be happy all the time. That's not fucking possible. That's not possible. You shouldn't strive to become happy all the time, because that's not possible. What you want to strive is to become, or to have a strong character that can withstand any obstacle that comes your way, even depression. The reason why I am very strong and I've developed this iron character is because I had to go through the depression and suicide. If I didn't go through this shit, I would not be the man that I am today. So I am grateful that I actually went through these experiences, because I became stronger and I'm able to help more people because of it. So you need to embrace it. Second of all, you need to surround yourself with people that you feel safe with and talk to these people about your depression. Okay? I don't believe people suffer from depression. You know, Jim Carrey says that being depressed is deep rest. And it's amazing, because I don't believe people suffer from depression because of the feeling. I believe people suffer from the feeling because they have to hide it. That's where the problem is. So surround yourself with people that you feel safe with and talk to them about it, deal with it. Maybe you need to go to a psychologist, maybe you need to get a coach, whatever it is. but embrace it. Stop judging yourself, first of all, because you're not the only person that goes through this shit. Be compassionate with yourself. Really embrace it. If you feel like you're sad, if you feel like you want to cry, if you feel like you want to shout, yell, scream, go ahead and do that. And fully feel those emotions so that you actually get it out of your system. So depression is not something that should be considered as an enemy. I get depressed sometimes, it happens, but the thing is, I don't worry that it's gonna stay there forever. I fully embrace it. I talk to people that I feel comfortable with. I can get depressed for 2 days, 3 days, and because I actually feel it completely, I give it its time completely. I talk to people about it. I'm not ashamed of it. I'm able to transcend it very quickly. Now I don't get depressed easily. What happens is I could get sad. Sometimes, rarely, I get depressed. And I don't freak out about it. I don't feel ashamed of it. I fully embrace it. I speak to people about it. I'm not afraid of getting help, okay? I'm also a person that has to deal with a lot of people and take on their energy. So sometimes I sit with other coaches so that I can deal with my emotions as well. So there's nothing wrong about it. Just make sure you learn how to deal with it, fully embrace it. Don't be ashamed, and surround yourself with a safe environment. Now, moving on, question number 3. I live in Dubai and I'm broke most of the time. They say that everything you make here, you will spend. How can I save money in Dubai? First of all, money is the result of what? Money is the result of adding value, solving problems. The bigger the problems, the more money you make. Now, if you have that belief inside of your head that whatever you're gonna make, you're gonna spend it, then that's exactly what's gonna happen. Because whatever you believe, you are going to act accordingly. So, you wanna save money, it's very simple. Make money and make sure you spend less than what you earn. However, in Dubai, it's full of, facades and creating this image and working on showing people that you're very successful, and we're all trying to show that we're higher status. So what happens is that people spend more than what they can make because they're trying to prove to other people that I am higher status and I am amazing and I am very successful. Because I talk a lot about this, that when you are trying to achieve higher status, it's because you think higher status will give you more respect and more dignity, which ultimately means more love. Okay, so that's another thing. So people are spending more than what they earn because they're trying to prove to other people that they are in a position that is much higher than what they are. And that's why you don't have money. You have a lot of people taking loans, maxing out their credit cards because they want to prove to other people that they are in a great position in their lives. And they don't talk about how much debt that they actually have. So it's very simple. You want to save money? Make sure you spend actually less than what you earn, save that money, and then actually take that money and invest it into something that creates passive income. Passive income means money that you actually make while you sleep. So that's how you become rich. And then you actually save that money as well, and then you invest it into something else. And make sure you invest that money into, you diversify it, okay? You spend it on investments that have high risk, medium risk, and low risk. Low risk, you put most of the money in there. Medium, you actually put less money, and then high risk, you actually put less and less money. Make sure you have cash. You need cash because cash is king, because shit could happen. You can lose your job. The whole investments can, get evaporated, and you need money to sustain yourself. Make sure that you have savings that can withstand 6 months of living the same standard of life. That's why people get fucked when they lose their job. or when their manager comes to them and starts demanding things that they don't like, and they stick to it because they don't have anything to fall back on, so they get fucked. Spend less than what you earn, invest these savings, make sure you have 6 months worth of savings in the same standard of living, and you're gonna be safe. Anyway, this is the end of our episode. Please send me some more questions. I would love to help. You can direct message me, send me all of your messages, any support. I'm ready to actually help you in any way I can. If you like the episode, comment below, share, like, and subscribe. And always remember, Sam's got your back.